Olá, friend. On this tutorial, you will see how to make an intro for your game. Start creating scene, make a new folder, intro, give OK. Now you need to import the intro for your game, so import the image for your game intro, this image, to the scene. So for the sprite, you put your intro, or you put the image you want as your intro. Make this image. For the color rect, what you wanna do is expand. You expand the color rect, put a full image, cover all the image. This is what I mean. You will make the color rect all black. And now we are going to AnimationPlayer. AnimationPlayer will create a new animation, like in. Change the time for animation. I put it 3 seconds. Now we are going to the color rect and make a keyframe. Disable this, make a keyframe. Now I'm going to move some seconds. I think 2 seconds is enough. I will change this for alpha 0. Now we will start the animation. From the start, as you can see, the image start black and start to show the logo. Now we will make a new animation. Change this for the seconds you want. I will put it 3 seconds. Now what I'm gonna do is change this, for example. Now what I'm gonna do is the inverse. So the image will start with alpha 0. This should be 0, okay? And after this, I want the image to be black. So here the image will be black, this way. Test the animation. As you can see, the intro for your game starts to get black, okay. Now we are going to decode. So I will explain how the codes work. The first thing we wanna do is creation function to select the node AnimationPlayer. We will play the animation black in. You will get 3. You will create a time with the seconds you want, make it 3 seconds. Timeout.connect the function blackout. The function blackout, we will play the animation blackout. We will create a timer with 3 seconds. When the time stop, we will connect with the function start menu. The function start menu scene. We will change scene to file and we will start the menu scene of my game. So let's play, see if it's working. Okay, it's working. So that's it for the tutorial. I wish you like. Bye.